Hello, guys. Long time no see. I've never been seeing you a long time ago. Hey, Gooey. Blue Ghost and I will be enjoying the outdoors. So how did you get to be part of our user group, Gooey? Well, I haven't been part of that before, so that's brilliant. Okay, so soon we will be going to In-N-Out Burger for lunch. Plus, we would also notice that we should watch TV together, too. Wow, that would be fabulous! Yeah, well I guess I will see you around, Gooey. It's been a lovely afternoon at this park. I mean, look at this childish boy. He looks so adorable. Can you imagine how that boy's so cute? Oh no! There are two ghosts! Relax, kitty. We're not here to scare you. We're just so friendly and kind. See? This is my cousin, Blue Ghost. And that is Brown Ghost. Look at that kid throwing up in the trash can. Seems like he's afraid of other ghosts besides us. Hey kid, what have you been eating earlier?
Sugar cookies and cupcakes. And worse, I'm allergic to ghosts. Really?
Well, there's only one of those that came from. Well then, let's go somewhere else. Shall we? Well, we're here at the Central Beach, where most people used to be at. Whoa, Mordecai, look! Those two creatures look like they match our colors like us. Dude, zip it! Oh, stop it! It tickles! Hey, gooey buddies! Nice relaxation going on. Say, seems like you've been pressured and tickled by those two adorable Mexican children.
Hola, mi amigos. Mensaje de prisión.
We're just having so much fun here, you know? While me and Brown Ghost are enjoying the nature outdoors. Oh, I've never heard of that sort of thing. Seems like those two wanted to hang out somehow. Well, soon we will all go to In-N-Out Burger for lunch. That would be our satisfaction. Yep. That's why Gooey told me so. Oh, I love In-N-Out. Most people used to try to love their burgers. Our deal's a deal. We would hope to see you two again. Good luck. What a nice nature outdoors ever. Yeah.